Hello and welcome to another adventure here on my channel, and welcome to day 2 of 10 days of tutorials, where I will be posting a new eyeshadow tutorial every day for 10 days in a row. Today I'm going to be using the Soph X Revolution Extra Spice palette to do a festive holiday Christmas inspired cut crease. So if you like playing with makeup just as much as I do and you want to see all 10 days of tutorials, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be notified of all future content. Alright, let's zoom on in and get to playing with some eyeshadow. First, I'm going to take a crease brush and go into the shade Cookie Dough. And we are just going to start by popping that into the crease. Cookie Dough is actually a very appropriate name for this look. I don't know, something about Christmas, just baking cookies, it just goes hand in hand to me. Now on a shader brush, I'm going to go in with this shade 21, and we are just going to pack that all over the lid. Since I am going to do a half cut crease, I'm not really so worried about the front half, but the outer half, I want to really make sure that pigment is strong. Now I'm going to take just a little more of the Cookie Dough shade and blend that. And just adding a little bit more of that shade 21 where I feel it blended a little too much away. So next I'm going to take my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and cut my crease about halfway. I find this concealer in particular works really well for doing cut creases. I took that a little farther on the eye than I meant to, but that's fine. I can deal with that later when I blend the red into the gold. Now I'm going to use my finger to go into the shade Dreams here. And we're just going to pack that where I cut my crease. And then I'm just taking this brush to kind of clean up the excess sparkles that flew into the crease instead of where I wanted them. I'm not trying to blend it, obviously. I just want to clean it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with that shader brush and the shade 21 and just blend the gold and the red together. This is also a very Gryffindor look. Now I'm going to take the same concealer and just clean up the edges. Now I'm going to take this shade Everyday on a really tiny pencil brush and just put that on the inner corner. It's this really nice light pinky shade that I think really sets off the contrast of the look well. Then I'm going to take my Rimmel Scandal Eyes eyeliner in black. This is the best pencil liner. It is the only one I will use. I love it so much. And waterline. Now I was going to do something different with the lower lash line, but I have an idea and I want to go with it. So I'm going to take Cheesecake here, which is a very warm, pretty brown. And I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. I'm really tapping off the brush because I just want a little bit of this color. And then I'm taking a blank brush. This is just stained. And blending that out and into the red. Here is the full-faced finished look. I am totally into it, even though it's Gryffindor and I'm a Slytherin, but here, let's zoom in so you can really see a close-up. So I paired it with the same lipstick I paired yesterday's look with. What can I say? It's my go-to for dramatic eyeshadow, and that is the L'Oreal Infallible Chocolate Collection in Sweet Tooth. It's this nice, light, cool tone nude that I think goes really well with dramatic eye looks, but I hope you found this helpful. If you recreate this look, please tag me. I would love to see what you guys do with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a very different look. I'm excited. My roommate lent me a palette, so it's not one of the ones I usually own. Any guesses to what it'll be? Anyway, see you tomorrow.